Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the incoming call layout on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to take you back to your home screen. Next, launch the phone application. In here, tap on the option key at the top, and from the pop-up, tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on call background. And then tap on layout. Now in here you have two different layouts. One is a layout with a larger profile picture, and one is with a smaller profile picture. So let's test it out and let's see what it looks like. So I'm going to give myself a call. And now let's have a look at the incoming call. So you can see now this is the one with a large profile picture. Okay, now I'm going to choose a smaller profile picture, and I'm going to give myself a call again. And here you can see the pictures is on this side. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.